For Alexander, Jackson, Perry, Pulaski, and Union, Illinois.
Is it a tornado?
Severe thunderstorm in southern Illinois.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Pulaski County, Illinois, Jackson County, Illinois, Alexander County, Illinois, Perry County in south central Illinois, Union County, Illinois, eastern Scott County, Missouri, until 11:45 a.m. At 11:06 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Chester to near Jackson to near Morehouse, moving east at 55 miles per hour. This line of storms has a history of producing wind damage across southeast Missouri. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Sykeston, Murfreesboro, Theogoin, Pinckneyville, Enna, Cairo, Jonesboro, Minor, DeSoto, Cobden, Elkville, Mounds, Dungola, Ava, Tamaroa, Willisville, Thames, Grand Tower, and East Cape Girardeau. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southern Illinois, western Kentucky, and southeastern Missouri. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the following county, Scott, Missouri, and the following counties in Illinois, Alexander, Jackson, Perry, Pulaski, and Union. The National Weather Service is producing wind damage across southeast Missouri.
Here we go. I think this is EAS 20, isn't it? Tornado warning.
They're just spotting up.
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northern Jackson County, Illinois, Perry County, and south central Illinois until 11:45 a.m. At 11:08 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ava, or 11 miles northwest of Murfreesboro, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Elkville around 11:20 a.m., Dukecoin around 11:25 a.m., Tamaroa around 11:30 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Campbell Hill, Dow, Cutler, Bridgeends, and St. John's. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself.
It's
from
near
flying
Golconda.
debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. for the
No, it's
following
not. He's not in it.
counties Illinois,
He's in Nashville.
Jackson, and Perry. The National Weather The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County in south central Illinois, Jefferson County in
EAS
south central
21.
Illinois, Williamson County, Illinois, eastern Union County, Illinois, Johnson County, Illinois, until 12:15 p.m. At 11:27 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dukecoin to near Cobden to near Olive Branch, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Marion, Mount Vernon, Aaron, West Frankfort, Benton, Carterville, Johnston City, Christopher, Vienna, Ren Lake area, Cesar, Ziegler, Craneville, Cambria, Royalton, Energy, Goreville, Hearst, Dungal, and Woodlawn. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southern Illinois. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Johnson, Union, and Williamson. Benton, Carterville, Johnston City, Christopher, Vienna, Red Lake area, Chester, Ziegler, Craigville, Cambria, Royalton, Energy, Corville, Hurst, Dungle, and Woodlawn.
Here we go.
Why did they cancel Tuesday if they were going to take your braces off? Why would they just take them off now?
Mom, by the way, remember my December 28th appointment was moved to
So what did they say about your jaw?
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Wayne County in south central Illinois, Hamilton County in south central Illinois, Saline County, Illinois, until 12:30 p.m. At 11:48 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Woodlawn to near Red Lake area to near Pittsburgh to near Lake of Egypt area, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Smithfield, El Dorado, McLeansboro, Carrier Mills, Wade City, Galatia, Sisney, Carriers Mills, Dahlgren, Jeffersonville, Raleigh, Stoneford, Sims, Broughton, Keens, Johnsonville, Muddy, Macedonia, and Belle Prairie City. A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. for southern Illinois. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Hamilton and Saline,